Are you looking for the best nasal spray cleaner nose therapy? In this video we will look at some of the best nasal spray cleaner nose therapy on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nasal Washing Bottle Nasal Irrigator. Features for nasal wash cleaner: easy to use, unique construction, and the patented button allow a perfect water flow, transparent, so it is easy to see the water level, easy for both adults and children to use. Practical product, gently removes dirt, pollen, mold, dust, mucus and other pollutants, etc. Ideal for individual daily nasal care. Cleansing nasal cavity nasal wash pot is designed based on human nasal internal physiological structure characteristic. For your healthy, experts suggest to clean the nasal cavity regularly. Number 2. One-piece nasal wash bottle 500 milliliters. Nasal wash is based on human nasal internal physiological structure characteristic. For product design, experts recommend regular cleaning of the nasal cavity within the nasal cavity to remove dirt, pollen, postoperative residue, dust, etc. Have a good effect to help an individual daily nasal care and care of practical product. Pour a package of 4.5/2.7 grams nasal wash salt into the water bottle, then add warm water to the 500/300 milliliters mark. Please make sure water temperature is around 37 C. It should feel lukewarm if touched by fingertips. Mix nasal wash salt thoroughly until completely dissolved, and then tighten the cap. Number 3. 300 milliliters nose cleaner therapy Neti Pot. Nasal wash is based on human nasal internal physiological structure characteristic. For product design, experts recommend regular cleaning of the nasal cavity within the nasal cavity to remove dirt, pollen, postoperative residue, dust, etc. Have a good effect to help an individual daily nasal care and care of practical product. Quantity piece. Pour a package of 2.7 grams nasal wash salt into the water bottle, then add warm water to the 300 milliliters mark. Please make sure water temperature is around 37 C. It should feel lukewarm if touched by fingertips. Mix nasal wash salt thoroughly until completely dissolved, and then tighten the cap. Choose the correct nozzle. Be sure to select the child nasal wash tip for children. Children cannot use adult tip. Number 4. 500 milliliters Sinus Rinse Bottle Water Pulse Nasal. A practical and effective nasal saline irrigation method to flush out clogged nasal passages to relieve sinus symptoms from allergies and environmental irritants. Helps alleviate congestion, facial pain and pressure along with standard sinus treatments. New generation of Neti Pots with patented flow control valve design. Simply press the button at the bottom to release saline solution. Comes with 2 types of nozzles for both children and adults. Made of medical grade materials, safe to use. To make saline solution, mix 3 teaspoons of iodide-free, preservative-free salt with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and store in a small clean container. Mix 1 teaspoon of this mixture in 8 ounces of distilled, sterile or previously boiled and cooled water. If you experience burning or stinging, cut the amounts of dry ingredients to make a weaker solution. For children, use a half teaspoon with 4 ounces of water. Number 5. Rhinitis Nasal Spray Treatment Nasal. Remove and inhibit the Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli and other pathogens in nasal cavity. Restore nasal cleaning function. Relief the uncomfortableness of nasal cavity, like nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing, hyposmia, snoring and sleep disorders which caused by allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, atrophic rhinitis and cold. Open the protective cover of the spray dust cap. Tilt your head back slightly and press down on the nozzle gently. Wipe away nasal secretions with a tissue. Wipe the nozzle with a paper towel and cover with a dust cap.